In this video, we'll talk about different bidding, automated bidding strategy, which is target impression share. This is a new bidding strategies, for let's say removing some bidding strategies. This was replaced by that strategy. It's a really interesting one, target impression share. So before we go with this, let me clear some basics for you. If I search over here in Google, digital marketing courses, I can see an ad over here, right? So usually I see, let's say, 3, 4 ads over here. Maximum I can see 4 ads. So the very first position will be known as absolute top position. The second, third, and fourth position will be known as top position. Let me try with a different keyword. So now I'm getting two ads over here. The first one is absolute top, and the second, third, and fourth will be your, let's say, top position. So this is, let's say, basically required for this strategy. Now, in this strategy, what exactly we go for, like the name itself is target impression share, but we don't get charged by impressions. We get charged by click only. What exactly we need is nothing but impressions from a particular position. Okay, so the second question you can see over here, where do you want your ads to appear? First thing is like we have to choose a strategy, and second thing, where do you want your ads to appear? So you got three options over here: anywhere on result page, top of result page, and absolute top of result page. This is what I show you right like now, just now. Getting it? Absolute top means the very first position. Top means your second, third, and fourth position. Anywhere means on the any of the 7 positions. For example, I'll go with absolute top. Then it comes like impression share. Now, what exactly is impression share? So there's a formula for this. I'll explain you. The number of impressions you were eligible to receive. Okay, getting it? Get divided by the number of impressions you received into 100. That's your percentage. For example, let's say Google told me if you give a budget of 1,000 rupees every day, I'll give you 10,000 impressions for per month completely. Let's say I'll be getting 10,000 impressions overall. That was an estimate, but I got, let's say, only 5,000 impressions. Why? Because the remaining 5,000 impressions were taken up by my competitors. Okay, they took my position. Getting it? So in the same case, what we can do over here, the number of impressions I'm eligible to get, I'll put a percentage over here, let's say 50%. So 50% of that impressions, okay, should be coming from this position. My ad should be placed on this position, and I should be getting 50% of the impressions what I'm eligible to get from this position. Getting it? So what I'm saying to Google, right? Okay, for example, if I'm about to get 10,000 impressions, then make sure 50% of the let's say impression should come from this position. My ad should get displayed for the 50% of the impressions from this position only. Getting it? I should be getting impressions from this position 50% of the times. Okay, but now as you have given this let's say requirement, then Google has to keep you on the top. For keeping on the top, you should have a good quality score and good budget, so you might get charged more. So in that case, you have to give us some maximum CPC bid limit. So Google has given you over your relief, like give a value, a maximum billable amount, so that you don't get an unexpected let's say CPC. Getting it? Like unbearable CPC or unexpected CPC. So that's why Google has given you a value over your maximum CPC bid limit. So what they're saying over here, you give your maximum billable amount. For example, let's say 100 rupees I've given over here. So he will try to fulfill this criteria. Not compulsory, they'll do it. Okay, this is like a, we have given them a inputs, they're gonna work on it, and the algorithm will try to fulfill this. So I want that 50% of my impressions should come from absolute top of result page, and my maximum CPC I've given is 100 rupees per click, the biddable amount. I can't pay more than that. Getting it? So this is a really good option. They have given maximum CPC bid limit. Okay, so I hope you have understood this clearly. Okay, and this concept is really clear. Target impression share, a very good bidding strategies where you can focus your, you can adjust your position, and you can, let's say, try to bid on that position only. Okay, so I hope this is pretty clear.